Can I block or report the non-friend who messaged me on Messenger?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're discussing an essential topic: how to block or report non-friends who messaged you on Facebook Messenger. Whether you've received unsolicited messages or have to deal with abusive language, Facebook provides features to help you take control of your conversations.
Why might you need to block or report a message?
There might be many reasons you want to block or report a non-friend on Messenger. They could be sending you unsolicited messages, spam, or even offensive content. In such cases, Facebook provides options to block or report such individuals to keep your messaging experience smooth and secure.
How to block a non-friend who messaged you?
To block a non-friend, follow these steps. 1. Open the chat with the person you wish to block. 2. Click on their name at the top to get into the profile information section. 3. Scroll down until you see the block option. 4. Click on it, then confirm your decision by selecting block again. Once done, this person will no longer be able to message you or see your online status.
How to report a non-friend who messaged you?
To report a conversation, here are the steps. 1. Open the chat you wish to report. 2. Click on the person's name at the top. 3. Scroll down until you see the "Something's wrong" or "Report" option. 4. Select it, and Facebook will guide you through the process of submitting a report. Facebook takes these reports seriously and will review the content in question. Depending on their findings, they may take action on the offending account. Blocking and reporting are two significant features that Facebook provides to ensure a safe and friendly environment for its users. If you ever face an uncomfortable situation with a non-friend on Messenger, you now know what steps to take. Stay safe, and remember that you have the control to define your online experience. See you in the next video.